In the heart of West Haven, Connecticut, a gathering unlike any other illuminated the night on March 30th. Castro Oasis opened its gates to a spectacle that would etch itself into the memories of those who witnessed it. Over 400 souls converged upon Castro Oasis, bringing with them more than 250 vehicles that span the spectrum of automotive excellence. From the sleek lines of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLarens, to the familiar contours of Toyotas and Hondas, every car had a story. Every polish reflected a dream. What set this night apart wasn't just the remarkable display of luxury and modified cars, but the spirit of camaraderie and shared enthusiasm that filled the air. No sirens blared, no disruptions occurred, just pure, unadulterated automotive love. Thank you from the heart of Castro Oasis. We can't wait to welcome you back to share more moments, more cars, and more dreams.